Samsung UN50tu8000. It's a very common model problem. The screen goes bad. So the TV at the moment, it turns on, backlight goes on, then goes off. Keep glooping like this way. So the first check is we're gonna disconnect the main board from the power board, and we're gonna plug the TV. As you see, the backlight is on and is staying on. That's telling us the backlight is good. In this test, we know the backlight is good, the power board is good. We are in halfway to find where is the problem. Yeah, second quick test, we just disconnect the LVDS cable, this flex cable that's going from the main board to the screen. If the problem is in the main board, the TV is going to be looping. It's going to stay the same problem. If the problem is in the screen, the TV will turn on. We may hear the sound of the Samsung logo, and the backlight will stay on. That's mean the main board is good, power board good, backlight is good. We have the problem in the screen. So that's what we're going to do right now. So we plug the TV. I can see the backlight is go on. Yeah, the backlight is, I hear the sound. Yeah, definitely I hear the sound. And here, as you see, the backlight, it's on. Here you can see the backlight, it's on. Yeah, the TV turns on and staying on. It's not like before it's looping. So now we're down to the screen. So next test. This screen, it has two screen boards. This one here and this one here. And both of them connected with this flex cable. So we disconnect this flex cable, and we're going to see if the TV going to turn on and staying on. Yeah, the TV turns on, staying on, and yeah, no picture. You can see there is no picture, just a backlight. So I will start covering couple traces every time. So we just regular tape, like this one. So I cut just a piece of the tape, like about thick, and we start covering. Keep moving the tape and testing till you can get the best picture. All right, let's connect the TV again. All right, do we have any picture? Now we don't have the picture. Yeah, we don't have no picture, but we have the sound. And you can see when I cover the traces, we get the sound. So I'm gonna move the tape all the way over this connector. If I can get the good picture, I'm gonna start covering the traces in this connector. After I try many traces in this flex cable, this is all I get, just that line. So the line is start from here all the way to over there. Yeah, I did try the tape. Here. I tried the tape and the connector here. I didn't get no picture. All I got is just one line. But the line, it starts about from here to all the way to the edge of the screen. So basically what I think the problem is not in this side, Yeah, the problem is not in this side. The problem is in this side of the screen. So for that reason, now we're gonna work in this panel board. And this is what we're gonna do. So there is some data lines here. Yeah, there is a VGH, there is a STV, there is the clocks, lines, data lines, all here. I'm gonna start cutting these lines and I will see if I can get the picture. So it's like this ones. Let me see. You can see these lines here is exactly like this ones, the other side. So I'm gonna start this one. Then if it doesn't work, I'm gonna go to the other side, but likely is in this side. I'm gonna use the blade. I will start cutting 2 traces each time. Then I'm gonna show you the best way to cut them. In case if you wanna connect them back, it will be easy for you. So let me start cutting these ones. So the TV disconnected. Alright, this is the traces that I told you about. CK8 all the way to this one. But usually you don't need to touch this VGH just here. So you can see I start cutting these two. You see that this point, I cut right in the middle of it. So in case if I want to solder, I'm going to put a drop of the solder over there and it's going to be connected again. So, all right, let's test it. Yeah, we have the picture now. That's great. Oh, I did see some lines. Yeah, there is a lot of lines. This screen cannot be saved. You can see how many lines. Yeah, there is a lot of lines. Yeah, there is a lot of lines all the way. There is a picture, basically. Picture looks good. It's not that bad. But there is a lot of lines. Sometimes it's just one line or 2 lines in the bottom or 1 in the top. It's okay, but this one, it has a lot of lines. And the screen, we can't save it. I want to show you the way how you can do these TVs. There is no other way except to replacing the screen. Good luck to find a screen replacement. And this all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.